Hi everyone. Today in our Leather Minutes episode, we're talking about the glue. I think many places in the world there are so many glue to use, but here I use the latex one, like this white one, and the other one is the rubber cement. Let's see the texture. Normally in leather business use this. I have kids in the house, so this is not harmful at all. And for the rubber cement, usually it's coming kind of yellowish like this, stingy and hazard, so don't smell it, because if you have kids in the room. And sometimes I use the textile glue, the glue applicator, glue brush, the old school one. I'm not quite like to use this because I'm lazy to use, to dip into some kind of liquid, the oil thingy, the thinner. No, I don't like it. I use the solid rubber like this. It's easy to apply and it's easy to remove the stain. Also this kind, flat head, the plastic one and the stainless. Lately I use the stainless one. It's easy and it's durable. You can put flame on it to burn the glue out. So easy.
To glue, pick your preferred type of applicator and make sure to glue on both sides of the leather. Make sure your glue is dry and tacky. Use your finger to touch on where you glue, and after it's dry, you can put the two pieces together.
So all in all, the glue demonstrate today. Just different glue makers make different formula. You might see on this. But then the key is you need the glue to dry. Really dry on both sides, and then put them together. It will help glue stick well, because sometimes some of my students just place the glue but not wait it until to dry, or some might just place glue just one side. So glue on two sides of the leather, leave it dry, really dry, and put them together. Then the project is ready to go. Thank you for watching. Hit the bell, like, subscribe, and see you next time.